Ever stumbled around in the dark trying to find your way to the front door? Or worse, worried about your home's security at night? Here's something that's going to make you feel a whole lot safer and more comfortable. These 2500-watt outdoor motion sensor lights are like having a personal security guard that lights up the moment anything moves. Here's what makes these lights absolutely brilliant. They feature 3 adjustable LED heads that cover a massive 270-degree wide angle, so there's virtually no blind spot around your property. We're talking serious brightness with 2500 watts of power. That's enough to light up your entire yard, driveway, or patio like it's daytime. The motion sensor is incredibly sensitive and reliable, detecting movement from an impressive distance, so you'll always know when someone's approaching. And because they're IP65 waterproof rated, rain, snow, or shine, these lights keep working without missing a beat. What I really love is the remote control feature with 3 different lighting modes, so you can customize exactly how and when they operate. Installation is straightforward, and once they're up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Perfect for your yard, patio, garage, street, or anywhere you need reliable, powerful outdoor lighting. Ready to boost your home security and never stumble in the dark again? The link to get these incredible motion sensor lights is in the description and comments below.